heat up coffee.
Probably some real tool.
Yeah.
Hey, you got that car just in. Dish the evidence.
All right, put those things back on the car, dipstick.
Hey, it's Kanicki!
Geez, what a grouch. We were just holding them because nobody's swiping.
Kanicki, what are you doing with that hunk of junk anyway?
What do you mean? That's grease lightning.
What? You really expect us to pick up chicks in that sardine can?
Hey, right there, Rump. Wait until I give her a paint job and soup up the engine. She'll work like a champ. Why, that car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why, it's grease lightning.
Grease lightning!
We'll get some overhead lifters and full-barrel quads, oh yeah. A fuel injection cut off and chrome-plated rods, oh yeah. With full speed on the floor, they'll be waiting at the door. You know without a doubt that I'm gonna feel loud and grease lightning.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning, go.
Grease lightning, it rolls in through the heat ride trials.
Grease lightning, go, grease
She
lightning.
wants to scream, then she shall scream for grease lightning. Go. We'll get to the finest tail lights on 30-inch babies, yeah. A Palomino dashboard and doom up its window, yeah. With your fists and fucking child, she can beat the suicides. You know that I ain't bragging, she's a real dragon wagon, grease lightning. Go.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning, go.
Grease lightning rolls it through the heat ride trials.
Grease lightning, go.